Welcome back. Today, we're tackling knee pain and how to fix it naturally. No more masking pain with pills. We'll cover 5 science-backed ways to strengthen your knees, cartilage, and ligaments, plus a powerful homemade drink at the end. Let's get right into the real solutions that support your joints from the inside out. First up, hydration. Your joints rely on synovial fluid, which is mostly water, to stay lubricated and pain-free. Dehydration means less fluid, more friction, and more pain. Staying hydrated keeps cartilage resilient and ligaments flexible, reducing injury risk. Carry a large water bottle and sip throughout the day. Don't wait until you're thirsty. Add lemon, cucumber, or mint if plain water bores you. Herbal teas count too. Hydration is the simplest, most effective way to reduce joint stiffness and keep you moving. Next, vitamin C is crucial for joint health. It's essential for collagen production, the main protein in cartilage, ligaments, and tendons. Without enough vitamin C, your body can't repair or maintain these tissues. It's also a powerful antioxidant, fighting inflammation and protecting your joints from damage. Get vitamin C from colorful fruits and veggies, bell peppers, kiwi, berries, broccoli, and leafy greens. Add berries to breakfast, squeeze lemon into water, and pile veggies onto your plate. Whole foods beat supplements for absorption and extra nutrients. Consistent vitamin C intake keeps your joints strong and resilient. Garlic, onions, leeks, and chives. These allium veggies are joint medicine. Their sulfur compounds help build and repair cartilage and ligaments, and they fight inflammation. Add them to meals daily. Sauté in soups, toss raw into salads, or roast for a sweet spread. Consistency is key. Just a little every day protects your joints long-term. Delicious, easy, and powerful. Protein is the foundation for repairing and rebuilding joint tissues. Ligaments, tendons, and cartilage are made of protein, mainly collagen. Without enough, your body can't heal micro-damage, leading to weakness and injury. Include lean meats, eggs, dairy, fish, or plant-based proteins like lentils, tofu, and quinoa with every meal. Combine plant sources for a complete amino acid profile. Prioritizing protein isn't just for athletes, it's for anyone who wants strong, healthy joints. Make it a daily habit. Oily fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and herring are loaded with omega-3s, nature's anti-inflammatories. Omega-3s help resolve inflammation, reducing joint pain and stiffness at the source. These fish also provide vitamin D for strong bones, supporting your joint structure. Aim for 2 servings a week, grilled, baked, or canned for convenience. If you dislike fish, a quality fish oil supplement works, but whole foods are best. Regular intake can significantly reduce arthritis symptoms and protect your joints. It's a direct, natural way to fight joint pain. Don't skip it. Here's my go-to joint-restoring smoothie. Blend 2 cups pineapple, 1 cup cooked oatmeal, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 2 teaspoons unflavored gelatin, 1 cup orange juice, 8 ounces crushed almonds, 1 teaspoon honey, and 8 ounces water. Drink 2 glasses daily for 15 days, 1 in the morning, 1 after lunch. This combo fights inflammation, boosts collagen, and nourishes your joints from every angle. Remember, joint health is about more than exercise. It's hydration, nutrition, and smart daily choices. Use these 5 tips to build stronger, healthier joints for life. Like, share and subscribe for more natural health tips. Comment below. What's your favorite joint healthy food? Stay healthy.